Did you know your skin can reveal signs of diabetes? Our skin is like a billboard that broadcasts messages about our inner health, and changes in its condition can often serve as early warning signs of diabetes. Recognizing these signs is pivotal. It can lead to early detection and management of diabetes, potentially preventing serious complications down the road. Yet, many of us don't know what to look out for. So, what are these skin signs that might indicate diabetes? Let's dive right in. First, look for dark patches on your skin. These patches, known as acanthosis nigricans, often appear as velvety dark discolorations. You'll typically find them in body folds and creases like your armpits, neck, or groin. But what causes them? Well, they're a sign of insulin resistance, which is a key characteristic of diabetes. This is your body telling you that it's having trouble processing sugar. So if you notice dark, velvety patches on your skin, it might be time to check your blood sugar levels. Next, frequent skin infections could be a warning sign. When your blood sugar is consistently high, your immune system's defenses can become compromised, making it harder for your body to fight off infections. This is particularly true for your skin, which can become a breeding ground for harmful bacteria and fungi. Common types seen in diabetics include bacterial infections like Staphylococcus and Streptococcus, and fungal infections such as Candida. Remember, recurring skin infections are not normal and could indicate underlying diabetes. Another skin sign of diabetes is persistently itchy, dry skin. High blood sugar levels can cause your body to lose fluid, leading to dehydration. This dehydration, in turn, can cause your skin to become dry and itchy. For individuals with diabetes, maintaining hydration and regularly moisturizing the skin is crucial. It's not just about comfort, it's about health. Don't ignore chronic dryness and itching, as they could be your body's way of signaling diabetes. Yellow, red, or brown patches on your skin could be another sign. These patches may be an indication of a condition known as necrobiosis lipoidica diabeticorum, often appearing on the shins. Though it's a rare occurrence, it's more common in individuals living with diabetes. These patches may vary in size and shape, but their distinctive color should catch your attention. They serve as a visual reminder of the body's internal struggle with maintaining sugar levels. So, unusual patches on your skin? It might be worth checking your blood sugar. Well, look out for spots on your shins. These light brown scaly patches are known as diabetic dermopathy. While they're harmless, they can indicate the presence of diabetes. So, those light brown spots on your shins could be more than just age spots. Unexpected blisters could be a diabetes sign. Diabetic blisters, although rare, can indeed be a symptom of diabetes. They typically surface on areas like hands, feet, forearms, or legs. So, sudden blisters without any obvious cause could be a sign of diabetes. Finally, skin tags could be a sign of diabetes. These tiny skin growths, common in diabetes patients, often sprout on the neck, armpits, or groin. So, an abundance of skin tags, especially in unusual areas, could hint at diabetes. To sum up, the 7 skin signs of diabetes are dark patches, skin infections, itchy, dry skin, yellow, red, or brown patches, shin spots, blisters, and skin tags. Each sign is a potential red flag, alerting us to the possibility of diabetes lurking beneath the surface. It's crucial to remember that these signs are not definitive proof of diabetes, but they certainly warrant a visit to a healthcare professional. Early detection is key in managing diabetes effectively. It's about taking control of your health, and these skin signs are your body's way of asking for attention. If you notice any of these signs, consult a healthcare professional. Remember, diabetes is manageable, especially when detected early.